So today in this lecture we'll be learning how we can work on classes and object. Alright, so before writing the actual code we'll try to understand what this class and object are. Alright, so class is used for defining properties and methods of a class. Alright, now let's talk about object. So object, it is called as instance of a class. Alright, now we'll understand in real life example how we can work on class and object. Okay, so I'm sure like everyone has got a mobile phone with them. Okay, so let's name this mobile phone, and mobile phone has got some attributes and feature, right? So it's like mobile phone has got model name, then it has got brand name. All right, and this mobile phone has got some features and like functions that this mobile phone performs. One example is like mobile phone can make a call, then mobile can check battery status, all right. So this mobile phone we can call as class name. All right, this model and brand name we call this attribute or data member. Similarly, you have this brand name, it's called as attribute or data member. Now this make a call is like phone is performing some functionality. So this make a call is a method in class. This is called a method and this is called as method. Alright, now let's try to implement this in our code. Alright, so for creating a class, what we have to do, right click on this one, go to add and click on class. Alright, now I give my class name as mobile class. Alright, now I'm clicking on add. Okay, now once you are done, you have got this like default code here. So this namespace we can think of it as package or folder. Alright, this internal is an access specifier that we will learn when we come across those topics. Alright, now let's define the data member for this one. Public string model name, then public string brand name. Alright, now it's time to create your methods. So public void, and then you have got make a call, and then you can write console.writeLine, and then give the name here any name like making a call. Now let's define other method. It is public void check battery status. Battery. Okay, now let's write an output here. Checking battery status. Alright, now to work on these methods, we'll actually have to create object of this class. Alright, so now it's time to create object of a class, but before creating that object we have to give the entry point, I mean where the program actually starts. Okay, so for giving the entry point, what we will do, static void main string args. Okay, and within this we'll create the object. So mobile class m equals to new mobile class. All right, and now with the help of this object we'll call the method make a call, and then we'll call other method check battery. All right, now before running this code, there's something I wanted to show you. Let's delete this program. Right, now let's try to run this code and see like what happens. So you can see this output making a call and checking battery status. All right, okay, now let's suppose you have to create a new class. So let's say I'm creating a new class now. Okay, and in here what we will do, we'll just copy this one, new class. Class new class. Right. And with this we'll be calling method make a call and check battery status. All right, now let's try to run this code and see like now what happens. So it is telling that would you like to continue and run the last successful build. So we are actually seeing some error here. Okay, so let's try to understand like why we are seeing this error. So it is telling that program has more than one entry point defined. All right, so see in your new class you have got this main method, and also in your mobile class it has got like main method. So our program is not able to understand like which main program we need to execute. Okay, so you have to explicitly mention like which one do you want to run. All right, so for doing that what you can do, first of all clean. So once the project is cleaned, now you can go to properties. All right, and let's check for this one if that is loaded now. See, you have got learn CSharp new class. All right, now you go back. All right, now let's try to run and see like what happens. So you can see here now, making a call from new class, checking battery status from new class. So that's how you have to do. So whenever you create a new class, so at that time you can go to properties, and in the startup object you can mention that class name which you want to run. Alright, so I hope you have understood so far, and if you have any doubt you can ping me over the comments, and I will try to help you out. So yeah, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe. Yeah, and thank you.